Hello, welcome to Cooking at Home with Alice. Today I show you how to cook vegetarian spring roll. It's so nice. Come along to have a look what I put in. I have cabbage. I chop it up smaller than, slice it out smaller than the cabbage. Carrot, I slice it. Carrot, about that. Glass noodle I soak into the water first and 1 hour and soak a little more like that glass noodle. And butter. First time put butter into the pot first. Put butter in here and put some cabbage in. Carrot in. About half teaspoon of salt. A little bit of pepper. About half teaspoon of the pepper. Make it together. Don't cook too long. If you cook too long, going to be too overcooked. But when you fry spring roll, put glass noodle in. I put plain flour in. Plain flour because it makes spring roll it softer. It's not greasy. Put one tablespoon of plain flour. That one is my mother recipe. She got the restaurant in London, Kensington High Street. Oh, see her restaurant is so busy. We who love spring roll. My family-in-law love my spring roll. They want me to cook for them. That's it. Done cook like that. It just leave it to cool down for 2 hours. Put in here. Now spring roll is cooled down. This one cooled down. The time we're going to wrap this up. And first time put oil in a wok, in a pan, and turn cooker on. And I use this spring roll pasty. I use this one spring roll pasty. 3 of them you can find from the Indian supermarket, Chinese supermarket, Thai supermarket. Sometimes you find it from Tesco, but in the freezer. Take out from the freezer and defrost it. Make sure you defrost properly before you're going to wrap it up. First time, you put plain flour in, 1 tablespoon plain flour in, put a little bit of water, and stir it up. A little bit more. Don't make it too much soggy. It just make it sticky. Ready in here. Before you just cut the plastic plate out, take out all of them. It's more easy. Take out like that. Take spring roll about between in here. Don't put it too much. When you fry it, going to be it does not cook properly. Lap, make sure you come up it like that. Lap it up, put this one in this side and turn it up and turn this side out. Turn this side out and lap it up. Something like that. And put everything in here. See, come up it like that. Do it again. Come up it like that. Turn it up. Turn it up. You see me? Like that. Don't make anything it too tight. Otherwise, when you fry it going to be burned. Going to be burned. Now come up it like that. Look at that. Come up it. So nice. Now cooking oil. It hot now. We fry it. Make sure the cooking oil is hot before you fry it. Put it very gentle. Don't turn over yet. Make sure it on another side it golden, cooking to the golden and brown, and turn over. Now when the golden and brown take out from the cooking oil, make sure you put the toilet roll in here, tissue, and put in here to soak the oil. Put in here first. Take it out and turn cooker off. Have it with in here. Oh, my family-in-law will love it. I have it with sweet and sour sauce. This one sweet and sour sauce. Have it. It's very good with spring roll. Very good. Oh, like that. Oh, looks so nice. Here you are, my vegetarian spring roll. No meat, anything at all. It's so yum yum. And don't forget to subscribe it, please. Thank you.